Hey guys, thanks for checking out this video and welcome to the channel. My name is Garrett and in today's video we'll be talking about the 5 tools to get started in collision repair. Now whether you're new to the field and you're looking to get started or if you've been in the field for some time now, let me know what you think about the video. If I missed any tools that were helpful to get started, definitely drop a comment down below. If you found this video helpful and you're just getting started in the collision repair field, drop a comment down below. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch this video, and let's get started. Now the first one in no particular order is a DA sander. The one shown on screen here is one of my coworkers, and I've had the chance to use it a few times and I really like it. It's a Matco branded DA sander and the model name is called MT2132. It's quiet, it's easy to use, and it's really good for finishing work. Now this red one shown on screen is my personal DA sander. It's a 6-inch, it's also a hook and loop, and the brand is called Chicago Pneumatic. Now my sander is more of a heavy duty type of sander, I guess you could say. It's better for roughing stuff in versus finish work. I do plan on getting another DA for more detailed finish work, but I've had this one for a little over a year and it's gotten the job done and I really enjoy using it. When I first got started, I had a DA sander from Menards. It cost me $40 or $45, just something cheap to get started in. Harbor Freight also has a couple good options if you're looking to purchase your first DA. Moving on to number 2 on my list. Number 2 is a block set. Now I think this is the most important set of tools that a bodyman can have in his collection. I use these things every single day, and in case you don't know exactly what it's used for, it's good for making sure your bodywork is straight. There are different size blocks in each set that you can get. I have 2 different sets. I have a DuraBlock set that I first used when I worked at Mako. It is not a hook and loop, meaning that the sandpaper attaches to the block set because it's Velcro. Versus at my current work, we do have hook and loop, so I did end up switching to a 3M block set. I really enjoy using the 3M block set, and the paper that goes along with it. At my work, we have, it's called 3M Cubitron paper. It supposedly cuts better and doesn't gunk up the sandpaper as quickly, so I really enjoy using the 3M block set. The next item on my list is a ratchet. Now, in case you're unfamiliar with ratchets, the 2 most common kinds of ratchets are A, air-powered, and B, an electric ratchet, a battery-operated ratchet. I have a Milwaukee electric ratchet, and I absolutely love it. Now, I did pay $200 for this tool. Yes, it is a lot, and it didn't even come with a battery, may I add. The battery was a good $150. I did not get this ratchet when I first started doing body work. I started off using a $40 electric ratchet that I got from Amazon. It came with 2 batteries and a charger. I actually found it on TikTok one day, decided to order it. I still have it to this day. Here are a couple of my thoughts on it. This is the XINGDI electric ratchet that is available up on eBay for $40. It's a small, powerful, and durable electric ratchet that won't break the bank and will get the job done. I first discovered this electric ratchet on TikTok. I'm not sure the exact TikTok user that I found this electric ratchet from, but the guy bought it off of eBay for $40. For that price, you really can't go wrong with at least trying it out. It came with 2 batteries, a charger, and a carrying case. I use this not only at home, but every single day at work. I work in the collision repair industry, so this thing has really been put to the test, and I absolutely love it. If you're starting out, you'll definitely want to get yourself an electric ratchet as opposed to an air-powered ratchet. If you got an air-powered ratchet, you would have to lug around an air hose to wherever you needed to work at. So having the electric ratchet gives you the ability to go anywhere. The next item on my list is a set of body trim removal tools that I got from Harbor Freight. What you see here on screen is a 5-pack that I got from Harbor Freight for around $10 to $15, and I use these on the daily. They come in 5 different styles, and as you can see here on screen, I did end up spray painting my tools back when I worked at Mako, so then you can be able to tell that these are my tools and not someone else's. Having this small set of body trim removal tools is perfect for removing any size clip, and this is a must-have set of tools to get started doing body work. And as a little bonus, I wanted to throw in my 3-pack of the longer style body trim removal tools that I have here on screen. Got these from Harbor Freight as well, and I really like these. It comes in 3 different sizes. Each one of the heads is a different size, and I really like the length of these. It provides you with some extra leverage and really is my go-to tool. Next on my list is another set of tools that I got from Harbor Freight. Now, if you're thinking to yourself, man, Harbor Freight, that ain't no good. I want to tell you that about 90% of my tools are from Harbor Freight, and I absolutely love my Harbor Freight tools. And they do have a lifetime warranty, so if anything breaks, just take it right back and they'll give you a new one. You'll definitely want to pick yourself up a set of pick and hook tools. These are perfect for example, doing door panel jobs. Door panels consist of some plastic pieces that you'll want a hook or pick tool to get to bolts that are hidden. Hey guys, today's project calls for removing a door panel off of a 2019 Chevy Traverse. First thing you want to do is locate this rubber liner that's in the door pocket. Remove that, and that exposes 2 7mm bolts that you want to remove, followed by another 7mm bolt right behind the door handle on the inside. Next on my list is a little handy set of sockets and a ratchet. I got this little guy at Walmart for under $10. It's their Hyper Tough tool brand. I really like it. Comes with a set of sockets, a ratchet, and a bunch of bits. Flatheads, Torx, star bits, Phillips. It's perfect for getting into small, tight spaces. For example, removing mud flaps. If I can't get my ratchet in there, I'll get this little guy in there and remove those screws or bolts or whatever I need to do. And the last thing on my list, I want to just throw in a little bonus here, is if you're going to go work at a shop that does insurance work, you can bet that there's going to be grinders, cut-off wheels, all sorts of loud noises going on constantly throughout the day. And it's very important to protect those ears. Power possibilities. And one of the mufflers that I have is this 3M Work Tunes. I really like this guy. I got it at Menards. I believe it's available at Home Depot and Lowe's. Paid about $45 for it, and it is Bluetooth. Plays your music or podcast, whatever you want to listen to, and protect your ears on the job. If you enjoyed watching this video and you found value out of it, please consider subscribing to the channel and giving the video a thumbs up. If I missed anything or you'd like to add anything, drop any comments down below. I will answer them as soon as I see them. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch this video, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care.